Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Target account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in target.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Target website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken back into the home page, if you wish to delete your account, then when you check within your account settings, you will find no option to delete your account. So if you wish to proceed forward, then simply scroll all the way down from the home page and underneath help, click on contact us. Now from the choose a topic option, just choose the first option and now you will see an option to chat with them online as well as the phone number that you can use to call the team directly. You can either call them and let them know that you wish to delete their account and they will be able to assist you further with this process. You can also click on the chat now button in order to talk with the virtual assistant where you can simply type in within the message that you wish to delete your account. Once you proceed forward with this process, you will be able to delete your account on Target. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your Target account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.